This is our little cabin that we just rented here in Bryson City, North Carolina. It's really cute. It's quite rustic, but it's cute. Let me show you the rest of it. I'll give you a glimpse of the front of it. Oh, there's Darren. And it's actually a real log cabin. They've added on to it over the years, but you can tell when you're inside, this thing must be over 100 years old. It's pretty cool. Has this old outbuilding up there. It's locked, I have no idea, but it looks like maybe it was maybe a pig barn or something back in the day. And there's a dog kennel they provide, but we're not gonna put Noah in there because he would flip out. Little fire pit. Darren has us a real nice fire going there. Here at the cabin, up here in Bryson City, North Carolina. Looking forward to a great week here. It's going to be fun. Geese. I think they're geese. They're cool looking. Oh. Oh, he's interested. Okay, we are coming up on Mingo Falls. Not too bad of a hike to get up here. A lot of steps though, but at least there's steps. Oh, there's another dog. All right. Okay. Oh.
No, we're not doing that.
It's okay. Come on, buddy. Oh. Oh. That is awesome. Look how cool. definitely worth that hike to get up here. This is Dry Falls in the Nantahala Forest. You can walk behind it. Okay. Well, I'm videoing right now on the way back out. No, 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 no. Oh! Woohoo! It's awesome. Well, you gotta be careful here. It is slippery. That is the coolest thing. Okay, so now we are here up towards Bryson City again, and we found this pedestrian bridge. It's like one of those, what do you call this, suspension bridge? A suspension bridge that goes over the river. So we're gonna check it out. It says limited to 4 persons, so I think we'll be good. Well, I'll let you guys go first.
Come on, kid. Come on, over here. Good boy.
Ooh. Oh, it wobbles. That's a good boy. Oh, people put locks on.
Why?
I don't know. It's supposed to bring luck or something. There's the other part of the river. It's supposed to go out on a road over there. Well, that water is clear. You can see right through to the bottom. Look out. Look out. Gotta move.
You're going this way.
Oh, my goodness. Okay, we made it across. And it just goes to a little dirt road over here. Right there. Yeah, we'll just turn around here and go back. Or we'll have to carry him if we don't. Okay, let's go back, buddy. Oh, poor little Gumper. I'm gonna let you guys go a little bit ahead of me so it doesn't wiggle as much. You definitely wouldn't want a lot of people on this bridge. For some reason, this section really wiggles a lot. I think Noah could have lived without this adventure. That was fun.